Welcome back to the channel, guys. This is Daniel here at Reinhardt Equipment here in Rome, Georgia, located off of 3556 Martha Berry Highway. Today we're going to look at this 2014 T590. This machine has been meticulously gone through from front to back inspection by our certified Bobcat technician. This machine has 1,205 hours. It's a 66 horse machine. Has a tipping load of 6,000 pounds and the total machine weighs 7,800 pounds. We'll go ahead and get in it, crank it up, and let you hear it. Also to mention, this machine is a joystick machine and also has a air ride seat. We'll go ahead and get it cranked up here for you. This machine is joystick, so you can work everything with your right joystick as far as your loader, your bucket. Go ahead and lower the loader arms down. Let's check out the tilt. Everything is extremely smooth on the hydraulics in this machine. Make a left-hand turn. Just a very smooth operating machine, ready to work for you. Here we go. Guys, thanks again for tuning in. Again, this is Daniel with Reinhardt Equipment. Be sure to go over to our website, www.reinhardtequipment.com. Check up on all the used inventory as well as the new. Until next time.